Hey everyone, it's Russell here, and we're at the off-grid cabin at Raspberry Rock. And it's been a while since I've taken the dogs for a hike and did a film about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a short hike. We're going to go west, over to where my trail cam is set up and exchange cards over there. And we'll see if we got any good pictures. Oh, who's excited? Who's excited? Everybody's excited. Let's go. It's just that gorgeous time of year when there's no bugs out. And it's nice and warm, and gosh, the trees haven't started turning color yet, but when they do, they're going to be absolutely beautiful. But it's still really, really nice. Really beautiful. In fact, I love that we get a chance to be out here wandering when the trees are still green. Got your, what do you got, a bone? You got a bone. Okay. Well, we'll get that on the way back. Who's excited? Who's excited? This underbrush through here used to be like up to my chest, and you couldn't even see your way through here. But it's all started to die away. It's getting into that really good time of year of fall hiking. So I did have the trail cam set up just over there in those maple trees. You can't really see them, well, you can see them up, because there was lots of elk sign in this area, and I want to try and catch an elk, but in a couple of months of sitting there, I caught nothing. So I moved it just down over here. There's a good deer run. I'll take you down and show you. This is not a really well-traveled deer run. Mainly because there just isn't a lot of deer in this area. I don't know how well it'll be easy to see on camera, but it goes straight through here. You can almost see the little path coming up here and ahead. Willows on the run right there. Anyway, I set my camera up right here. So we're gonna switch the cards, take the card back, and take a look what's on it. Well, spent a minute over there. I'm gonna go see what she's into. Usually she doesn't spend that long on a spot. So, what is it? Right here. I smell something right here. I'm not sure. I see some liquid on that fern. Maybe deer pee? I'd smell it, but I don't know what deer pee smells like. But it looks like something up there. There's no big pine trees here that would drop sap. So maybe something came through here recently. Yep, what do you smell, Willers? Something. Alright, I'm gonna smell it. It's like still wet. Probably just Willow's pee. Now all I smell is fern. All I smell is fern, which is a pretty strong smell. Okay, now I've got something on my fingers. So this is what the camera's looking at. Right along the deer run here. You can almost see it straight through there. And the spot I like to sit is just up here on the rocks. Nice good view of this area. I really should come down here and do some trimming, get rid of these little trees. But I probably won't. Local algae, make it taste better. Well, now that we're here, we should go check the Inukshuk. What say, June Burger? See that frog go? I love how the frogs leap for the water, and when they hit a lily pad, they just keep on going. So they can actually skip across the lily pads until they hit open water. Oh, it's still standing. I bet I could go swimming right there. It looks fairly deep. Clicking again, all the quartz. The part of the solar light was broken. I added it to the thing. Yeah. Just over here, we think they're making a new lodge. The beavers, that is. I'm not sure what they're doing because over there you can see they've piled up branches and crap, but they've done it here as well. So I don't know if there's two lodges going on or if this whole area in between them underground is a lodge. I doubt it because it's so rocky. But anyway, we're going to leave them alone, right, Willows? We're going to leave them alone. You're such a good girl, aren't you? Such a good doggies. Willow went back to cool herself down. It's not that hot out today. It's about 20 Celsius, which is 70 Fahrenheit. So it's not hot by any means. I'm warm now. I'm sweating because this property is like up and down and back and forth and rocks, and it's like one great big obstacle course. Anyway, we're on our way back to the cabin. We're almost there. We're going to check and see what's on the camera. Let's go, girls. Yeah. You good? Back on the trail. Our little grove of pine trees. This is where we thought we might find morels in the spring. Nope. Love to find morels. They're like the only mushroom I know for certain I can identify because we used to pick them when I was a kid. I went out with my parents. Pick a bunch of them and fry them up in butter and serve them with syrup, maple syrup. But no, not around here. It's that place through the trees. Oh, you don't want that then, do you? So we're back, and I was taking a look at the trail cam pics, and we got a couple of interesting things on there. So let's go check it out. All right. So first we have this little guy. Take a look. Coyote. I don't see much of him. I gotta see if there's an option on the camera to like wait a few seconds and then take another picture rather than take like 3 pictures right together. But that's all we see of him, and yeah, just a great big coyote traveling on my deer run, of course. And then after that, though, is what we get something interesting. We see this guy coming into frame. There, take a look at that bad boy. Now he's at least an 8-pointer. I can count up to 5 points on that left antler. And then he's got at least 3 on the other side. It's really hard to see that right antler very well. But yeah, really nice to see that on the deer run. Quite pleased with that. Right close to where I'm going to be setting up for hunting this winter. Great big buck. Pretty happy with that. So guys, that's it for this episode today. This video. Hi, June Burger. Don't you come near me. Willow's got some crap all over her head. I don't want her to come near me until I wash it off. Don't be doing it. Anyway, don't forget to come to my live stream every Fridays at 8 p.m. till midnight. That will be tonight. 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, that is. Live from the off-grid cabin. So do all that wonderful stuff, like subscribe. If you don't subscribe to this channel, this dog will not get fed tonight. No, I'm just kidding. You're still be fed. It was a joke. I know, not a funny one, was it? It's not a funny one. Anyway, I'll show you we'll end this with a clip of a heron that we spotted earlier taking flight. So, check that out. I'm so sorry. I didn't do it.